So we have so far downloaded Oracle VirtualBox, Kali virtual machine. Next step is we need to install this Metasploitable vulnerable VM. So what exactly this Metasploitable vulnerable VM is, I will show you quickly what exactly this is. If I go to my virtual machine, I already have this Metasploitable machine on my Windows machine, so I will quickly start that machine. Now, as I told you earlier, that whatever attacks we are going to perform that on a virtual machine. So this Metasploitable machine is an already vulnerable machine, and it's a ready-made machine. Means you don't need to install the OS again and again. It's already installed and ready for you. You simply import that virtual machine in your Oracle VirtualBox and double click on that, and the virtual machine will be installed. So what exactly I want to say is, whatever attacks we are going to perform on this Metasploitable VM. Once you click on this link, you have to download this, and once you download this, let me show you, it will look something Metasploitable Linux zip. So this file you need to extract. Yeah, so once you extract your Metasploit, it should look something like this. You can double click on this and open with VirtualBox Manager, or you can click on new, then give it a name, Metasploitable VM. You simply need to select type as Linux over here. That's it. Rest everything remains same, and click on next. Then you can assign the amount of RAM. Select next. So now just have a look. You have to click on this use an existing virtual hard drive, and then select the Metasploitable VM. You have to select this use an existing virtual hard drive. Now go to that location where you have downloaded and extracted that Metasploitable VM. In my case, it is somewhere over here. VMDK, open, and click on choose. Click on next. Once this is done, it should be again in the power off mode. Go to settings and check whether it's working or not. Let's run this and see if I get any error. Yeah, as you can see, Metasploitable, in my case, it's booting up properly. You should be able to see the screen Metasploitable admin. In my case also it's NAT, so I will change it to bridged. Fine, so you should be able to see this in 2 or 3 minutes. It doesn't take much time. So what you need to do is, once you install this Metasploitable VM, type these commands along with me, just to check the IP address of that machine. You simply need to type IP space AD. That is IP address. I will mention it over here. IP space AD, and press enter. You should be able to see an IP address. In my case, I will write it down over here because I'm going to require it later. Metasploitable IP is 192.168.0.159. This is the IP address of my Metasploitable VM machine. Save it somewhere on a notepad, copy it, because this is what we are going to require throughout. So this is the IP address of my VM machine. So those who have done this bridged adapter, those who have selected bridged adapter, they should see this IP address in the series of 192, because this is a class C IP address. If you have learnt about subnetting, what is IP addressing, then this is basically a class C IP address. So we simply need this IP address in front of us. Yeah, let me tell you why we are doing this bridged adapter and why not NAT adapter. So what I need to do is, I should have a bridged adapter so that I can interact between my Windows machine, my Kali machine, and my Metasploitable machine. They should be on the same network. That is why all the 3 networks should be in the bridged network only.